Unlock instant access to your government benefits. Let's get your Direct Express card activated quickly and securely. First, locate your Direct Express card and the accompanying welcome letter. This letter contains crucial information you'll need throughout the activation process. You have two convenient options to activate your card by phone or online. To activate by phone, call the Direct Express customer service number, which is 18,887,411,100. The number is also available on the back of your card. Follow the automated prompts carefully. You'll be asked to enter your card number, social security number, and date of birth to verify your identity. For online activation, go to the Direct Express website at usdirectexpress.com. Click on the Activate Card link. Usually found on the homepage, you'll need to create an online account. If you haven't already, this requires providing your card number, social security number, and date of birth. Choose a secure username and password that you'll easily remember. Speaking of passwords, security is key. Choose a strong password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Never share your password or card details with anyone. Direct Express will never ask for your PIN or full card number via email or phone. Once activated, immediately change your PIN at an ATM or through the Direct Express website to something memorable but not easily guessable. Avoid using your birth date or obvious sequences like 1234. Finally, familiarize yourself with checking your balance online via the mobile app or through automated phone services. Regularly monitor your transactions to detect any unauthorized activity promptly with your card activated. And these security tips in mind, you're ready to enjoy easy and secure access to your government benefits. If you have any questions, contact Direct Express customer service directly.